If you're a DIYer and you're thinking of taking on a big building project, you might want to see how the last year's gone for me. I've been building this, a traditional style barn and workshop. And what's more, it's on a really difficult sloping plot, so nothing has been straightforward. But the real problem is that, like you, I've only started with DIY skills, and so I've had to learn everything on the job, mainly from watching YouTube. I've had to learn how to excavate, lay blockwork, get concrete in, master stonemasonry, including a 2.5 metre wide stone arch, and next up, I'm building an oak timber frame. We've hit some huge problems on the way and made some really serious mistakes, which I've then had to sort out, all of which are included. So join me at the beginning of this DIY barn build journey. It's a bit like Grand Designs, but with less Kevin McLeod and a lot more cock-ups. Click the link above to watch episode 1 or subscribe to Alex Builds.